as you can see, we're back on the carburetor, getting everything hooked up. And it's a little bit of a learning experience trying to set up the choke, which I discovered that I didn't connect those back on correctly. I did find out from watching some videos as well that that little plug is supposed to connect to your alternator. So I think, you know, there's one wire that was sitting there, and I think that's what that was for, which for whatever reason wasn't hooked up. But that's my guess, because I tracked it back and it looks like that's what it was for. So want to get everything hooked up. If I can get them up and running, I think that would be very successful. Yes. So that's what we're going to do, baby. Boom. Anyways, thank you guys for watching as well. Don't forget to check out all my friends. Thank you to all my patrons. Hey, really appreciate everybody. I mean, it's really awesome. But you got to check out my fellow YouTubers. Lots of good stuff out there. And boom, baby. All right, so as you can see, I moved the battery over there. And then this wire has always been sitting up here. I can never figure out what it goes to. But when I loop it back, if I'm tracing it correctly, I believe it's part of this loom that goes to the alternator. So I'm hoping that's right. We'll find out. And then I did discover, so you got to line up these lines here. There's supposed to be a line on this, so I think I have it turned wrong. And then from the videos I'm watching, you should have the choke like that before it's warmed up. So then as this is just a heated coil in here. So as this gets warmer, it goes from that and then slowly starts to creep up like that, you know. So yeah, we're going to connect this, see if that works. I'll probably try turning the key and see if it starts to open that up. And then, of course, we still got to connect the fuel line. Man, doesn't that look nicer? So much better. So much better. So fingers crossed, we'll get this bad boy going. All right, boom. Okay, so I think it's hooked up correctly, but I'm gonna test it. So this is what's up. So you got the lines on top, right? Which I got that in the middle. I couldn't remember where that's supposed to be, so I figured that's a good starting point. I know this part is supposed to be, I guess that would be closed, right? So I did have to do kind of a weird thing here. This piece kept coming out. So until I get the pin to hold it in, I'm just using some wire. Obviously just temporary fix. And then if this works, you can see I popped it off already. If this works here, then I'm gonna change this connector to one that actually slips on correctly. So, but that's the only thing that has me worried. Maybe this isn't it, because why would the connector be like that? So that's definitely a potential. Maybe that's not the cord, but I do know this has to hook up to alternator. So if it's not that, we'll go another route or figure it out. But what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put the battery back over here. I'm gonna turn the key, and then from what I've been researching, with the key on, this should start to heat up. Is that right? I think with the key on, the coil would heat up, which would start opening this. I don't know. You know, maybe I'll get everything connected first and then do that. Yeah, let's do that. All right. All right, so I might be misunderstanding this, but I'm gonna see if leaving that on opens up that choke at all. Let's see. Let's keep an eye on it for a minute.
I think he's going to live in 2,000 and billion legillion years.
Yep, that's right.
And make sure to leave 200, 1006, and 101, 6001, 901 likes.
Yes. Okay, go and get in.
Why?
All right, you ready, Shy?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see if we get lucky.
So guys, if I were Frankenstein, I will definitely just always go everywhere, even to New York. If I was also Frankenstein, I'd go to the store and get some wings, so I can and then also if I was Frankenstein, I can go to the store and also get like Enderman powers, like disappear powers. Yeah, so that is when if I want to be Frankenstein. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, baby. Ooh, we're almost there. Oh, we started. Let's try again.
That's more like it.
Something's adjusted wrong. Yeah. Ooh, smoky. So I don't think that wire is working for the choke. I'm gonna have to try something else.
Can you help me?
Clearly needs some adjusting too.
Hi.
What are you doing? All right, I made a couple of adjustments. Let's try again. Whoa. I think it's that gas spray back. Probably not good. Probably need a little adjusting, just saying. Well, a couple things I'm noticing, just trying to figure this out. There's gas there. There's also gas on that little valve right in the bottom there. And I'm pretty sure this sprayed gas out. Pretty sure this sprayed gas out like that. Just gotta figure it out. Let's try starting again. put the screwdriver to hold the choke open. Seems to be working. Let me go give it a little. Oh, well, this is fun. All right. So observation time. We got a couple things. One, the brake lines are almost touching the headers. Not going to mess with that right now since it's a million degrees. But we'll have to mess with that. Still have to mess with that bad boy. So right now I've got the choke fully open. And, well, you hear it's starting. But it looks like we need a little bit of adjustment. The other part too is the automatic choke. We need to mess with that. So I think what I'm going to do is wire a switch from here to in there, because I don't know where the turnkey one is. Let me see if I can figure that out. Okay, so I could disconnect the electronic choke, which was how it was before, which would make it work. It would probably be very easy. But I want to have it the right way, and I want to use the electronic choke. So I'm going to have to figure this piece out. Either wire one or see if I can find the wire that goes from the key switch. Obviously, the key switch would be better, so I'm going to try and find that first. All right, so as always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. I really do appreciate everybody that helps, whether that's the patrons or people that do anything to support, even if it's sharing, liking, commenting. I really do appreciate it. So I'm going to do a little bit of research on how that's supposed to be hooked up. But, I mean, pretty good progress. I mean, he did start. We just need to adjust the carb a little. And it looks like we got to fix that electronic choke. So thank you guys for watching. Next time we'll get that all sorted out, and we should be pretty close to done, at least mechanically, or at least to a point where we can drive them. So boom, baby. All right, couple huge shout outs. Mail call time, baby. So check it out, Stuff with Cletus. Boom. So he actually already hooked me up with stickers. But when I saw this sticker, I was like, dude, come on, man. You got to get me one of those. So huge shout out, huge thanks to him for that. Stuff with Cletus, you got to check it out. There you go. You got the Thunderbird. This is a really good video. Go check that out. So awesome. So we're going to throw those up there. And then we got another one. This is one of my favorites as well. Little Vino Rat Rod. Really awesome channel. The thing I love about Vino Rat Rod is he's building a hot rod out of, it's like wine themed. So like wine barrels and different stuff like that. It's really awesome. To me, I love that kind of stuff. It just shows that creativity. So that's really cool. And then Stuff with Cletus. He's always messing with different cars, doing different projects. It's always kind of a different thing, which is awesome. So you got to check both those guys out. So, boom. All right, so I got one more. Huge thank you to my buddy Wood and Metal Garage. Check them bad boys out. You like that? So, hey, you got to check out these guys' channels. If you haven't checked them out, I'm telling you, you don't know. You're missing out. You got to check everybody's channels that I've been shouting out here, because this whole car group of YouTubers, Wood and Metal, some of these other guys, they got good stuff. It's great videos. So check them out. Thank you, Wood and Metal.